Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the pen and filament so extrusion is consistent. First, power the pen and set the temperature to the filament's recommended degrees C. Once the heater reaches stable status, insert the filament tip until the drive motor grabs it and you see 1-2 cm advance. Make sure the nozzle is clean and held over scrap paper for the first extrude. This immediate feed step prevents jams and ensures you have molten plastic ready before you begin drawing. Once you have material flowing, focus on steady motion and flow control because speed dictates bead thickness. You should move slowly for thin lines and faster for thicker fills. Adjust feed speed or nudge temperature up/down as needed. Make base layers with continuous outlines, then fill with parallel passes. This stabilizes adhesion. If bridging gaps, pause between strokes to let layers cool slightly. Make sure to use scrap practice shapes to calibrate before committing to the final piece. To finish, retract or cut the filament, power down, and let the nozzle cool before handling the part to avoid deformation. Once removed, clean edges with a knife or sandpaper to refine details. If you encounter a clog, this tip saves time. Reheat to operating temperature, engage reverse or manually pull the filament back slowly, and repeat forward feed to clear residue. Keep a small metal pick and replacement nozzle on hand for stubborn blockages.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.